Hey everyone, welcome to Matt's vlog. Now today we have an interesting topic. Yep, hit the subscribe button if you have not hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We have an interesting topic. We are going to talk about greetings. Greetings. In any language, when learning any language, you need to know the greetings. That's the first part. If you can greet someone, then the conversation can go on from there. So today we are going to talk about the greetings. Our greetings will be divided into four parts actually. Greetings in the morning, greetings in the afternoon, greetings in the evening, at night, and another type of greeting when you're greeting your fellow youth or someone of your age mate, not necessarily youth, but someone of your age mate. You just tell them, I'll teach you how to do it. But it's that today we are going to talk about greetings in Swahili. Actually, we say Kiswahili. So we start with morning greetings. So in the morning, when you're greeting someone, you tell someone habari za asubuhi. Habari is like news, and then za asubuhi is like morning news. Habari za asubuhi, like what's the morning news? And then somebody will tell you nzuri. Someone tells you nzuri means good. Someone tells you sio nzuri or mbaya, it means the news is something is not good. That's how you greet someone in the morning. And also, if you have elders and you find them in the morning, mostly you tell them shikamo. Shikamo meaning like you greeting, giving respect to the elder. That's how you greet in the morning. Basically, you just find someone, you tell habari za asubuhi, habari za asubuhi. Or you can shorten it. And then instead of saying habari za asubuhi, you say za asubuhi. It's basically the same thing. You just made it short, but it's actually the same meaning. Habari za asubuhi, it's actually the same thing. So when you tell someone habari za asubuhi, or you meet someone and say za asubuhi, it's all the same thing. Someone will tell you nzuri means actually everything is well. And if it tells you mbaya means something is wrong somewhere. Now, next greeting is greeting in the afternoon. So in the afternoon, when you're greeting someone, you just want to tell the person habari za mchana. Mchana is afternoon. Habari, as I said, is news. So habari za mchana. How is, like, it's basically like asking what's the afternoon news, but it literally means how are you doing? Like, how is your afternoon? And then the person will answer you nzuri or mbaya. Mbaya, as I said, mbaya means bad, and nzuri means good. So habari za mchana, or you can just remove the word habari and say za mchana. So za mchana means how is your afternoon? So that's basically it. So you meet anyone, just tell them za mchana, and someone tell nzuri means good. But tell you mbaya means something is wrong somewhere. And then in the evening, when you're greeting someone in the evening, you tell them habari za jioni. Jioni. Habari za jioni. Habari za jioni means evening. So habari za jioni means how's your evening? Like, what's the news in the evening? It's basically, that's the meaning. What's the news in the evening? But it literally means how is your evening? Habari za jioni. Or you can move the word habari and say za jioni. So when you tell someone za jioni, you're basically meaning how is your evening? And someone will answer you good or bad. Good means nzuri and bad means mbaya. And then another greeting is if you just met a person and you don't want to tell them how is your morning or how is your evening or how is your afternoon, you just tell them mambo. Mambo means like hi. And someone tell you poa. So mambo, poa. Mambo is hi and poa is fine. So you meet someone and tell them mambo, and tell you poa. that way. So that's the easy way to communicate in Swahili, especially in the greetings part. Or if you meet someone at night and you want to ask the person how is the person's night, and you tell the person habari za usiku. Usiku is night. Remember, jioni is evening and usiku is night. So habari za usiku. Habari za usiku or za usiku, and someone will tell you good, nzuri, bad, mbaya. So basically what you're trying to say here is, how is your night? And someone will tell you the night is good or the night is bad. Someone tells you mbaya means something is wrong somewhere. There's something wrong somewhere. So basically that's the greeting. So meet anyone you know that speaks Swahili and tell them mambo, and they'll tell you poa. Or if it's morning, you tell them habari za asubuhi or za asubuhi, and someone will tell you za asubuhi. Nzuri means good, or mbaya, or sio nzuri. Sio, it means not. In Swahili, sio means not. So sio nzuri means not good. Sio means not. So sio nzuri means not good. Meet in the afternoon, za mchana. Meet in the evening, za jioni. Meet at night, tell them za usiku. So yeah, habari za usiku. And someone will tell, great, au nzuri, au mbaya. Just depends on the person's mood sometimes. So basically, so a summary of greetings. In the morning, habari za asubuhi or za asubuhi. In the evening, habari za jioni. In the evening, habari za jioni or za jioni. In the afternoon, habari za mchana or za mchana. At night, habari za usiku or za usiku. So those are the basic greetings. Meet your friend, your youth, fellow youth, mambo, and then they'll answer you poa. So that's the easy way. Yeah. So basically that's all for greetings. So after learning the greetings, now the conversation from there. After telling someone habari za asubuhi or za mchana or za jioni, and then someone tells you nzuri, now you want to ask, how is the person feeling? How are you doing? You ask the person unaendeleaje? 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 Unaendeleaje basically means, how are you doing? Like, how are you feeling? How are you doing, you know? And someone will tell you naendelea vizuri. Someone tells you naendelea vizuri, someone, that basically means I'm doing fine, I'm good. Naendelea vizuri. If someone tells you najisikia vibaya, najisikia vibaya. Najisikia vibaya means I am feeling. Najisikia, I am feeling. Vibaya, bad. Najisikia vibaya, I am feeling bad. Means like this person is not feeling well. That's the meaning of najisikia vibaya. Means I'm not feeling well. That's najisikia vibaya. So once you tell someone habari za asubuhi, and then someone will tell you nzuri, then you ask the person unaendeleaje, and then they'll tell you naendelea vizuri. Naendelea vizuri. The question is unaendeleaje. Unaendeleaje. And then the person will tell you naendelea vizuri. Vizuri, you know it's good. So it means the person is doing well. If someone tells you sijisikii vizuri, means the person is not feeling well. Sijisikii vizuri can also be used in the context of when a person is sick, and you go see the person, you see the person that is down and is not doing well, and then you ask the person unaendeleaje, and then the person will tell you najisikia vibaya. Najisikia means I feel, and then vibaya means bad. So I'm feeling not well. That's the meaning. So yeah. So after you greet the person, you ask the person unaendeleaje, and then the person will tell you whether he's feeling good or bad. And then after that, the conversation, and then you can tell the person goodbye. Goodbye in Swahili is kwaheri. Kwaheri. And then the person will tell you kwaheri. Kwaheri. And then the person will reply again kwaheri. 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 That's like goodbye. And then you can tell the person like see you tomorrow. tutaonana kesho. Tutaonana means we will see each other. Kesho is tomorrow. So tutaonana, we will see each other. Kesho, tomorrow. So you can tell the person tutaonana kesho if you guys are promising to meet each other tomorrow. Or tutaonana siku nyingine. Tutaonana, I said we will see each other. Siku is a day. Nyingine is another. So siku nyingine. Tutaonana siku nyingine. We will see each other another day. That's the meaning of that's sentence. Tutaonana siku nyingine. If you guys are not sure of meeting tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, or next week, so you guys promise to meet each other next time, so you say tutaonana siku nyingine. Tutaonana, we'll meet. Siku, and day, nyingine, another. So tutaonana siku nyingine, we'll meet another day. So that's it. That's all for learning the greetings. After greetings, you talk to the person, tell the person how are you feeling, unaendeleaje. The person will reply whether he's feeling good or bad, and then you tell the person goodbye, kwaheri. And then you promise either to meet the day after tomorrow or some other day. Then you tell them tutaonana siku nyingine, means we will meet another day. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you learned something great. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Trust me, amazing content is coming every single week.